Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we will show you the product assembly of the LSA-PET-TREE. We start off by opening up the box. Step 1, we're going to be starting off with the base. We're going to be using part 1, screws B, an Allen key, 2 parts 10 and a part 11. So let's start. So as you see, there is 3 holes here. Start with the chest. Moving on to step 2, we can just mount part 2 and part 3 together using screws, and the screws is part D and part E brackets and an Allen key. We're just going to do separate so it's easier. Start by completing our assembly. We'll be using parts 12 and 13 along with parts A screws. So first, part A screw, you'll see that the screw is in half. So basically use the screw halfway through. Please stop halfway. And adjacent. Then we're going to complete our assembly. See? Moving forward, we're going to use part 4 along with part 9, which is 4, and item B, part B, which is the screws. We'll be needing 8 screws. So upon assembling part 9, you'll see we're going to be using the outer. Going forward, we use our previous assembled parts, including part 4, along with screws C and B to line them up, and also part 14 and an Allen key just to tighten. So, you see, there's a screw here, there's a hole here, and there's also one here, leading straight through. So we're going to take our biggest screw, C, straight through. It should just line up. Part 14. Screw B. From the under, straight through. On top. Moving forward, we'll be using parts 5, parts 15, 2 parts 14, a B screw and 2 A's. So firstly, we use the A screws, again halfway through. This is part 5. For part 5 there's offsets. You see the distance is different. So when aligning, the two that are closer to each other must be towards the box. The further apart, towards the pole. If you do it wrong, the next step will be impossible. Part 15. Next 14, we'll be using a B screw. Going forward, we're going to be assembling box 6 along with parts 9 and screws B. Going forward, we use our previous assembled box 6. Basically, as I told you, the screw is close together to reach this here. And we're going to use it, screw B, part B. Our assembly, we will be using the rest of our parts. First, we will be installing. So for part number 17, part B also, you'll see these two holes here. Part 16. Part 7. Thank you for watching our product assembly of the LSA-PET-TREE. You can go to our website www.lasa.africa to visit more products and also see more assemblies. Thank you.